How to turn on and off scan text in the camera app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable this feature and what it actually does on your device. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, once you're inside camera settings, scroll through and find the Scan Documents and Text toggle. In the next step, tap the toggle to turn it on. Following this, when this feature is enabled, your camera will automatically detect and recognize any text or documents it sees through the viewfinder. So whenever you point your camera at something with text on it, a small icon will pop up, letting you copy, translate, or interact with that text directly without taking a photo. Once done, it's a really handy feature if you ever need to quickly scan a document, read a sign, or copy text from the real world straight to your clipboard. Finally, if you ever find it getting in the way or triggering when you don't need it, simply come back to camera settings and tap the toggle to turn it off. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.